Hi guys, I am Manohar from Magic Teams. In this video, I will explain website technology scanner using n8n. It is a no-code automation platform. This is the overall workflow which I had created using n8n interface. These are the nodes. These are the Google Sheet trigger, and this is the read node, and this is the Google Sheet append node, and this is the basic LLM chain and this chart model. And I will explain node by node. First, I will show the output. This is the input I given the company domain. This is the overall output. Hosting and server and CMS and content management, dragon tools, security and performance, lastly other technologies. In hosting and servers, Google, Amazon, Global Accelerator, Flow Hosting, lastly AWS Lambda. These are the hosting and servers for the clay.com. And this is the tracking tools, Amplitude, Google Analytics, Global Site, LinkedIn Site, Google Tag. These are the tracking tools. This is the workflow from the n8n interface. Next is the Google Sheet trigger which initiate the workflow. In the Google read sheet, I given the input and output format. Later, in this HTTP request tool, I select the method get which the information get from the servers. Next, I take in the URL jira.ai from the company domain. I drag the input from the previous input like company domain here to there. Next, in Gina.a should be send headers, should be on. It should not be selected body query parameters. In this should be name should be authorization and value should be in var in and token format. And the token format will be get from Gina.a. Search Gina.a in the Google search engine. Open the site. After set after login select API. Here it is manage API key. Select and copy the for API. Copy the key and copy here in the value in the token format. Next basic LLM taken from the basic take the input and it should be select the Google chart model and if this is necessary for structure output parser connect structure output parser in basic LLM chain, drag the input from the previous input, drag the input from the previous input here and take the prompt from the previous input. Do the chat messages for specific output format. Like in this format, I need the output like hosting and servers, technology names, and CMS content management technology names. Lastly, track inputs technology name. In this format, I need the output. Give the message to the LLM chain and add the structure output parser. I kept in structure output parser in this format only the output should be visible. It should be very helpful. Lastly, Google Sheet 3. These are the hosting and server CMS content management analysis track and which are in the Google Sheet node hosting which can be visible here by dragging the input from basic LLM chain for getting the output. Similarly, drag all the input from the previous and paste in the specific output columns. After completing this workflow, execute this workflow. It should be take step for sourcing the technologies. After completing the workflow, it should be the data should be appended to the Google Sheets. See for the Clay.com hosting servers, Google Accelerator, Webflow, workers. Lost other technologies, JetBoost, Slack, GraphQL, Qport Meta. Is the overall workflow for website technology scanner using n8n. Thank you.